Okay, so now we're back and we're going to work on the actual summary part. So we're going to take this information from our paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and put them just into 3 or 4 sentences. So summarize means to take the main idea. So we're going to take the main idea. So I'm going to turn this around and let's see. So our first main idea, go this way. Our first main idea is that Earth is surrounded by empty space, different sizes, some big, some small. I think this is talking about planets. Okay, so planets vary in sizes. That's kind of the same, close to some smaller. So I can kind of start with this. Let me start here. So Earth is surrounded by lots of empty space. The Earth is surrounded. Just going to take what I did and put it here. Surrounded by lots of empty space. And then, so I got that. There are different sized planets. Some are big and some are small. Different size planets. Some big, some small. Okay, got that. I wonder if I need to include this. Close to the sun is smaller. I'm not sure I need to include that. I could. If the planets that are closer to the sun are smaller planets. It's kind of like a detail, but I could put that in. So actually, if it's a detail, maybe I don't want to put it in. So let me take it out. Because I only need 3 to 4 sentences. Many planets have moons that travel around planets. Okay, so I might write that. Many planets have moons. Many planets have moons. Okay, got that. I'm going to write here for D for detail. They vary in distance from the sun. So planets vary in distance. So I'm taking these things, putting them here in distance from sun. It looks like these are examples that affect, and the distance affects the planet. So I might put that. Distance affects the planet. Distance from the sun affects, with an A because it's a verb, the planet. P-L-A-N-E-T. And Earth is at it, affects the planet. Okay, so the detail would be as far as cold. Earth is just right. That seems like that's kind of a detail. They're always changing. So let me see if I can add that. Planets vary in distance from the sun. Distance from the sun affects the planet. I could say, for example, farther away is farther away from the sun. Planet is, it's colder. Makes it colder. And the distances are always changing. And that's because of the orbit. Okay, and we already got this idea right here about the space. And that's why maybe I want to add that idea in that humans haven't explored it. So the Earth is surrounded by lots of empty space. Maybe I can put in a star and put that here. That's why humans haven't explored it. Explored. Sorry, I'm trying to write upside down. Okay. The Earth is surrounded by lots of empty space. That's why humans haven't explored it. There are different sized planets, some big and some small. Many of the planets have moons, and planets vary in distance from the sun. The distance of the sun affects the planet. So as I'm reading back, I'm like, maybe I don't need to put in these 4 examples. It's kind of interesting. All right. And the distances are always changing. Okay, so that's simple. It's not my best, but it's getting, does it capture the idea of scale in the solar system? Scale is just a sense of how large and how big things are. Yeah, it's big, and there's lots of varieties. So now I want to make sure I've done a picture, and I use 3 keywords, and I'll fill that out. And then I will take a picture and submit it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go like this, hit the snap, and then like this, and submit, and then upload those pictures. I also want to hand this in because it's really hard for Ms. Comac to read like this. Okay, bye.